Okay, done. Come on. Always when you start your bike in the morning, please keep it in idle for 1 to 2 minutes. That's very good for your bike because your bike has to warm up in the morning. And don't ride aggressive for a couple of kilometers. Right now we are going to Maharashtra. Yes, we're actually going beyond the border to a beach called Paradise Beach, Shiroda, something like that. Speciality in that is we can take our bikes into the beach, right on the shore, I mean. And suddenly we saw this beach in Maharashtra, and I was like, okay, there's only 25 kilometers from our room, because our room is very close to the border. I mean, it's at the North Goa. This is so empty in here. There's literally no one except for these two and that guy. Thank God there's no traffic today. Thank you. Oh, this looks good. Where is this place? I wish I could give you details, but then no, I cannot. I think we are getting closer to the border. Yeah, this should be the border. Yeah, I guess this is the border. This should be the border, right? Yeah, it should be. Never mind. Oh, this was nice. Oh, look at that small island. I don't think so. Nope. Because we have no passes or anything like that, so I don't think we'll have any problems. I'm pretty sure we are in Maharashtra right now. Yeah, because that is for sure a check post, a border check post. It's not pretty hot actually. It's okay. It's kind of okay-ish temperature. My bike is 39 degrees Celsius. Okay. That's a good photo location, but it might be a private property. People get pissed off when that happens, especially we are in a different state that we have no idea about, so I'm not even gonna think about that. The road is very good in here, so I'll have to stand. Are we even going the right direction? This doesn't look like a road that leads to a beach like that. As I always say, when you come to these kind of locations in a small village or something like that, you have to keep calm and composed. Don't need any kind of aggressive riding because it's their territory. You're gonna piss them off. Uncle, beach किधर है? Beach किधर है?
Beach actually ऐसा जाओ.
Okay.
आगे पहला left करो.
Left. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Roads are very bad, man. Very, very bad. Very bad. Yes, we are here. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, where are we supposed to go? This looks good. ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಆದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? This is the beach. There's only 2 people in here. Those 2 girls. That's all. There's no people at all. This is nice. Anyways, I'm going down. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but let's go. Where is that guy going? You see that guy over there? This guy is looking. What the hell is that? He just removed his clothes over there and then he's going. He's just walking into the sea. These guys are freaking worried because they're lifeguards or coastal guards or something like that. Yeah, he's drunk by the way. That's the guy I was talking about. You guys probably cannot see him because it's in super view. This is noise, bro. This is noise. Unfortunately, we couldn't bring the bike in. Yeah, that did not happen. We are leaving right now to our room, take some rest, have lunch and then head to another beach in Goa, one of the famous beaches. Let's see. Yeah, that's the plan for now.